Presidente nga sa ligan nila sa lima may laban Vice President?
Number one, ay kung ano ang bunga, amuman ang prutas. I'm very proud to say that no member of my immediate family has faced any cases when it comes to graft and corruption or any anomalous deals. I'm proud of my legacy. Second, as I mentioned earlier, I think I am capable technically, academically, experience-wise to handle the job at hand. And I think lastly, when it comes to the way I deal with people, and when I go around, I'm reminded of why I started in the first place. Kababaw sang akon kaligayahan. Basta makabaton lang ko thank you, makabaton lang ko hakos, pasalamat sa serbisyo, okay na ko. Diskan gabay to ang sweldo, hindi man na enough kay may solicitation sa mga taga dapat buligan nato ng mga aton yung mga constituents. At the end of the day, Vice Justin Gattuslao is somebody who can hold his head up high and say, I'm a proud Himamaylanon and I'm giving my heart and the best years of my life to the city of Himamaylanon.